Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. Let's talk about this campfire cardigan I just completed, made with ice yarn. I'm going to let you know what it was like working it up with this yarn. So come on in and we'll talk about it. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. I really enjoyed making this cardigan. It is so cozy and I love the colors. So the colors in some way were chosen for me, and I'll tell you why. When I purchased my ice yarn way back, and if you haven't seen that video, great video, my first purchase with ice yarn. I loved the yarn I chose. Now I purchased a mixed lot of yarn, and I wanted to get yarn with some natural fibers in it. So I chose this wool cord Aran. I don't remember the price. I think it was 5 packs of 8 because I got this brown and this color and this dark color and green, and there was a fuchsia pink in there as well. So 8 of each, and it was a really good price. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but it was really reasonable. And what I noticed when I got them, first I was excited about the colors because I thought they're all beautiful, but I really liked this combination. So nice. So this yarn, I'll tell you a bit about this yarn, just in case you don't know about it or have not seen that video. This is wool cord Aran, and this is 50% wool, 50% acrylic. Really nice and soft and cozy. What I noticed about this yarn that I found a little bit odd, they are all considered a 4-weight, but I found this dark brown was quite a bit bulkier than the rest of the yarn. I'm going to show you what I mean. It's going to be obvious, I think. More so with this one, probably. You can see how much thicker the dark brown is than the light. And working it up, it wasn't just because it's a roving yarn, because I'm aware that roving yarns, they're not consistent with their bulkiness. They go from thick to thin, but this was different. This dark brown one was quite a bit thicker throughout than the other ones. The other ones, there might have been some variation because it's a roving yarn and it's really a nice yarn. I actually really like the bulkiness of this. The other ones were different. Even the texture was a little bit different. This one maybe was the thinnest, but they still work together to make this beautiful item. Like, I just love it. It's so cozy. Here's a picture of me wearing it. I like to do that. I like to take a picture of what it looks like on, not just on the mannequin. This mannequin, she's not real. She's thinner than most people, so, you know, I'm more real. But anyways, I've never tried a campfire cardigan made of 2 hexagons and then fabric added at the bottom, fabric added on the sleeve. I will link you to the pattern below, but I did add on to it. I added a ribbed edging for the sleeve, which brought it in because I'm not really into the floppy sleeves. I really like having it close to me. Now, what I like about this is I can put my thumb through the hole. So if I wanted to have it like as kind of like a wrist warmer, I could do that as well. And my hands fit nicely inside. It's just so cozy. I also added the ribbed edging along the side and along the hood. And because this yarn was thicker, I found that it worked up larger, like the hood. I had to stop it sooner, but that was okay. That was fine with me. And I love the way the colors worked up. The nice thing is too, these campfire cardigans made with the hexagon, you could see underneath the sleeve, I can show you. You can see how that works up. And try it because it looks so much more complicated. If you haven't tried one of these, this is great as a beginner sweater. It doesn't look it. You will impress your friends. If you have not made a cardigan yet, this is the one to try. And the thing is too, it's very customizable. Now this one is made longer and it can be made shorter. You just make less at the bottom. You don't even have to add anything to the bottom. You could just do the hexagons, put it together. You can see where it would have ended. I'll turn it a bit. So you can see where the striping was added. Here. Wherever it goes around, that was part of the hexagon. But where there's striping that was added, that's just length that's been added. So you could make it as short or as long as you want. You could add buttons. I was actually thinking of adding some buttons. I haven't yet. And you can add a cuff if you like. It's really customizable and so much fun to do because it's just a large granny hexagon. So it works up faster than any other cardigan you're going to make. And it's nice. And especially if you've been working on a project that's taken a long time, like a big Afghan, or like I was just making a sweater with a lot of slip stitches. If you haven't seen that, my last video, I'll link you to it. That took forever. So I needed some quick projects, and this was one of them. And I'm really going to enjoy wearing it in the fall. It's very cozy. So the yarn, I really enjoyed working with it. I did find when I was sewing my panels together, the yarn started to break apart. It was getting pretty fuzzy. And so I actually plan on making a swatch, putting it in the wash, and I will try that. Check my notes, check my description box later on. I'm going to try to remember to put my comments in, let you know how it washed up, because I would rather wash a swatch to see how that goes than washing the whole garment. Because if it's going to fall apart, I'd rather get a chance to wear it a few times first, and I really hope that doesn't happen. This yarn, it has the little symbols, which leads me to believe it's saying it's machine washable. And I wouldn't. Absolutely not. This is definitely hand washable, and it almost would be better if I hand washed it, not in the machine, but the swatch that I throw in the washing machine, I'll put it on hand wash and I'll see how that goes. And I'm hoping it doesn't felt. I'm hoping it doesn't shrink, because I'll be really upset if it does. That being said, I can work up another one with different yarn. It's not so terrible, but I just love the colors. Let me know what you think. It's gonna be great to wear, easy to work up. Check the link below. Make one for yourself. I'd love to see what colors you choose. It's great. It's cozy, and I recommend this pattern for sure. And do I recommend this ice yarn? Absolutely, but the jury's out. I haven't tried to wash it yet. If you have used this Aran wool cord, this Ice Yarns Aran wool cord, and you've washed something with it, let me know. I'm really curious about your experience with it. How did you wash it? And how did it work up for you? That's important to me, but I am definitely going to make up a little swatch and see how that works out. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share this with you. I'm in love with it. I think it's great. The color, the style, it's fabulous. Let me know if you'd add buttons. I'm going to show you my buttons. So I have these cherry wood toggle buttons, a lot of them. And I just thought, you know, it's so cozy, and sometimes you try to close it, but it keeps opening. And here is the button. Here is what it would look like on the garment. Let me know what you think. Should I add the buttons or shouldn't I? I like the idea that I could close it and it would be cozy. I do like the look of it free flowing though, but these are very nice buttons. So I just thought that that would be an added feature that I could add if I wanted to. Would you add them? I really want to know, so please leave a comment below and let me know. I want your opinion. I value your opinion. So that's it for now. Have a great evening. Have a great day. happy crocheting, and I have more coming, so stick around and I will see you soon. Bye for now.